Right guys, new car for the channel. See if you can guess what it is. By maybe the interior. Bit of a door card maybe. Oh damn, you saw the colour. Anyway, yeah, it's a new car. It's a 207 Sport 1.4 whatever. So obviously it's got the electric windows, aircon, auxiliary CD, blah blah blah. It's got 64,000 miles on the clock. It drives. It's just got no MOT. MOT ran out January gone last year, and it's got 4 new tyres, 4 half decent tyres. Pads and that look all good. Obviously, so it should fly through the MOT hopefully. Every single MOT from since new is literally been passed every time. No fail, no nothing. So that's all good. Just obviously maybe a few advisories on them and that's it. So without further ado, I'm going to be cleaning the car, hoovering it, and you'll see what car it is. Guys, bit of slave labouring. Thought I'd let my daughter do a bit of cleaning. So come on, get scrubbing.
Dad, wait, what?
Oh, you unplugged it in?
No, it's not.
Oh, look, you can't get the start, can you?
You need to plug it in.
Right, let's see if she does a good job. Let's show him your attempt to clean him.
Nice.
You want to hold the camera? Alright, hold the camera. Let's see what people think.
Okay, so here's the front bit.
Walk away further back.
Here's the bit that I couldn't get to. It's really hard.
It's not very clean, is it?
Then there's these seats. They're still a bit messy. Then I didn't get to do this bit, yeah, or that bit. But then I've done this. What do you think?
What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon we should let her clean again?
I do better in better cars.
Yeah?
Like ours.
Okay then. Right, say goodbye then.
So, bye.
It's a bit cleaner. Just got to get a little brush just to go in there. Just get all these little bits out, which is a bit annoying.
Not properly clean.
No, but it's good enough for the MOT just to tidy it up, and then I'll do a proper thorough clean. There you go, 1/2 clean. Back, much better than what it was. Keep going in and out of the bloody thing, so it keeps getting dirtier. Obviously I've got all this yet. The state of this bloody thing. Don't know what people have been doing with this. It's bloody grim though. Let's lob that out here. Right, get the old hoover on that. What the hell's this? Some old phone holder. Jesus Christ, that's some Poundland crap, isn't it? Right, I'm gonna hoover that out and probably call it a day. There you go, it's a million times better. Obviously the camera makes it look bad. I haven't put a brush or anything on it yet because there's no point because I'm getting in and out of the car. But once it's obviously MOT'd, I'll give it a proper good clean. As you can see, it's a lot better. Much cleaner. Alright, there you go. One clean boot. All nice and clean. Just chuck that on there. Just so it looks nice and neat. Probably throw that away, to be honest. Anyway, parcel shelf's all clean. That's all clean now. Right guys, car's all done. So thanks for watching. Please can you like and subscribe if you like it. If not, then don't bother, it's all good. So have a good week and speak to you soon.